Hey everyone, today we're reviewing the Shark Facial Pro Glow, a trending at home facial device that promises a spa level skin result. Is it worth the price in 2025? Let's find it out. The Facial Pro Glow is a hydro powered skincare tool with suction, exfoliation, hydration, infusion, and a cooling sculpting attachment. Designed to unclog pores, boost glow, and reduce the puffiness right at home. The users and beauty editors agree that it delivers smoother, clearer, and more radiant skin with visible debris in the waste tank, proving that it actually cleanses. The cold or hot dipify feature helps reduce the puffiness and enhance the serum absorption. Reviewers say that it feels like a spa and intuitive with noticeable glow after just one session. However, it is expensive. And the results aren't as dramatic as a professional facial, just more like enhanced maintenance or prep before events. The serum and tips are recurring costs, and people with very sensitive skin may experience irritation if overused. Reddit users report that it's great for the pore removal and exfoliation but not a replacement for a real esthetician treatments. Some love the glow, others caution about the suction effects. So, is it worth it? If you want a consistent at home facial boost, smoother texture, and reduced puffiness, yes, it's worth it as a self care tool. But if you want to expect a pro level results overnight, you might want to change or manage expectation. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.